Welcome to Texas Law Encounters, your home for raw police footage. Remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell icon so you don't miss any new uploads. And as always, enjoy the video. On March 23, 2023, officers with the Houston Police Department were dispatched to a reported kidnapping in Harris County. A third party had reported seeing a woman trying to escape from a red sedan before being grabbed by a male, attacked, then forced to get back in the car. Officers were able to use security footage to identify the suspect and tracked him to a local gas station.
Show me your hands. Show me your hands. Can you step out for me? Yeah, I got it. Put your hands right here.
I was waiting for my truck to be towed.
I got you.
What did I do?
You're just being detained right now, right?
For what? For what, sir?
We'll let you know in just a second. Give us a few, alright? You have any weapons on you, man?
No, I got my gun door right there. Right, as far as I don't. Right there.
That's the gun?
It's a little 6-shooter, yes, sir.
Okay. Alright. You don't have anything else on you, right?
I don't think so. I might have some tools in my pocket because I was just going to go work on his truck.
Okay.
Presley? Oh, man, my dog, dude. Hey, can you get my dog, please? Please, sir? Okay. I don't know.
Just gonna leave all your stuff right here, man. Okay? Like coins and rings and all that.
I just got them moving.
I got you.
But that U-Haul right there is but
It's yours? The U-Haul is yours, you said?
yes, sir.
Okay.
The wallet that's on the floorboard?
Sarge pistol and that door right there.
I don't understand what I did.
Alright, come on down here.
Homicide.
Just an investigation, man.
Homicide investigation?
Nah.
Huh?
Good.
I don't understand what I did.
See real quick for me. Don't have anything right here at ankle, right? Bring that foot this way. Alright. Thanks, sir. Give me a few. They'll come and talk to you, alright?
Put your hands behind your back. We'll let you know in a minute.
I didn't do nothing.
Okay, then don't worry about it.
Okay. This is my
We'll
car.
explain everything.
Okay.
This is your car?
Yeah, this is my car. I have the bill cell over there.
What's your dog's name?
That's not my dog. It says
What's his name?
Presley.
Presley?
Yeah. I have the bill cell for this car.
Do you have your ID or anything?
We'll take care of it.
Hang on. My nose kind of itches. Can
We'll
I
take
can
care
you
of
use
it.
my nose?
I know.
I don't know. Yes.
Do you know these people? From where? From where? Oh.
My ID, I think, is it should be in the door. I think.
Hey, dude. Come on. We're gonna go to the other car. As far as I know, that Class C warrant is good. So let's see. I don't know if they got anything else, okay? So let's see where those all worked out.
Look, Michelle.
Okay, come on down, bud. Do me a favor, face the car. Step out of the shoes for me.
"33-year-old James Rainey was arrested on one felony count of kidnapping and one misdemeanor count of assault on a family member. If convicted, he could face up to 10 years behind bars.
these?
Yes, ma'am.
Or those?
On her?
Yeah.
Yes.
Do you need a bag or anything?
I can use one. I got one in the back of my shop, Sarge, but if you can get me, I would appreciate it. 20 push-ups? Drop something. Do you want your stuff to go in the car, man, or you want to have them with you? The socket and the coins and all? You don't care?
Yeah,
Is
I
that what-
want to keep it because I might need it for when I get out. So I can
Okay, you want the sockets too?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Okay. I was gonna leave your sockets in there so you don't lose them, but
Yeah, it's probably easier if you want to just keep it in the car.
This is tiny.
But
Yes,
we
ma'am,
can
no
take it
problem.
with you, but
I don't think they
it
could.
might be a pain in the
Maybe
butt
we
to
can
have.
fit some stuff in here. Unless you have a big one.
Yeah,
I
you
think I
want to take it
have.
with you?
I think I have somewhere. I'll go get it.
Would you need the sockets or anything?
Yeah, I want to leave your ring and the coins and everything. I was gonna get rid of the screws and the sockets and this little ball and stuff, just the oddball
Some of that
stuff.
stuff might not be allowed out down there.
Right, because if it's like sharp, they may throw it away.
Okay.
Okay?
You're gonna put his ring on.
I keep dropping that fuse. You want the key?
Keys.
I guess the
Yeah,
keys go on
yeah.
there too.
Yeah, that's some stuff.
You want your change, or do you want for her to keep it?
How about my change?
You
You
were
don't
saying.
want it?
I do want it.
You do want it. Okay.
What's the fuse thing you do? I was gonna leave it in this car.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. I just get a little bag for this. Just hang tight right here, okay? You know what? Here, I'll put them in a
Yeah, that
glove or
work,
something.
yeah.
Here, so all the coins. Here.
One
Sir.
record.
Let me go drop these in this car.
Coordinated 600 seminar, NER 600 seminar.
Hey, ma'am, I'm right behind you. I'm
Okay.
putting in sockets and stuff in this door panel. All right. Thank you, ma'am. All right, there's going none here. Something. Yeah, there's coins. Find a couple more.
Oh, I did that.
I think that's about it as far as the stuff goes. I'll put these in your car too in a minute. All right. Lean against the car for me, please. There you go. Raise your hands. I got you, man. I just got to search.
Some impounds on the 45 stalled truck in the left lane of the 8400 block of the North Freeway inbound. Left lane.
Dude, get up this foot for me.
8400 block.
All right. Give me the left side.
And again, can we get a record in that area on 81 block north I-45, some people red truck, that lane stalled? Can we get a record ahead that way?
You good? No.
Michelle, I love
Let me
you!
She said you got the keys to that car. I guess you got to get that car too.
Yeah,
The keys to that other car's
When
in
I
the ignition.
passed the truck, I looked to my right, and it's an Echo car.
All right.
To the
Go
right,
ahead. Step in them.
right where the truck is. I swear it said 8400 on the windows, but as I passed on the street signs up ahead, it looks like it may be closer
You got
to
shoes
77
on?
block.
Alright, go ahead, take it.
Yes, sir. That's sir. And any record in the area north I-25.
There's a pistol here. I don't know if you want me to touch it, but it's on the looks, I don't know, revolver maybe?
Well, if we can, we'll just run them and see. I think he's a felon.
Okay.
I'm pretty sure. So if we get a new charge, that's even better.
Okay. Well, what was the deal with them? Sorry, I was
So-
trying to call you guys, but then
No,
I
it's
didn't.
fine. So earlier today, around 8:30 in the morning, some third party saw him. He was pretty much beating her up, and they drug her into the car.
Okay.
And then that's how we started with the case.
Was this at the motel?
It's like a strip center.
Okay.
But anyways, and so we ran with the witness took a picture of the plate, so we ran with the plate. Anyways, long story short, found the vehicle.
Oh, gotcha.
He
Okay.
beat her up a couple days ago. They live in this, or they got evicted this morning. They live right around the corner at this apartment complex. So he's talking. We haven't even seen this first time he's talking to her, so we're going to talk to her and see what the deal is. But whatever, if you guys don't mind letting him see if he's a felon or whatever, because we'll collect the DA and try to get charges in there, and we'll do it all.
Okay. You can step out for me. You're not going to jail today, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you for letting me know.
Uh-huh. I don't know. You can step out. They're probably going to take pictures of you. That's normal. Okay?
I love you too. I
You'll
didn't
be
even
okay.
press charges.
Let's go this way. I'm going to release these for you, okay? I need you to remain calm, okay?
What do you mean it's normal to take pictures? Like, how's that normal? Are y'all, is it a mistake looking up on charges?
We'll talk about it.
Never mind. This is tiny.
Yes, ma'am. No problem.
I don't think I could. Maybe we can fit some stuff in here, unless you have a bigger one.
I think I have.
Yeah, but
I'll go get it.
by the time we fit all this in here.
Yeah, I want to leave your ring and the coins and everything. I was going to get rid of the screws and the socket and all that stuff. Just the oddball
Some of that stuff might not be allowed out down there.
Right, because if it's like sharp, they may throw it away. Okay?
What, you're gonna put his rings in here?
I keep dropping that fuse. You want the key? I guess the keys go on there too.
Do you want your change, or do you want for her to keep it?
You
You
were
don't
saying,
want it? You do want it, okay.
What's this fuse
Oh,
thing?
the fuse. You can put the fuse in here.
I was going to leave it in
do
this
that,
car.
yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Car
I just get a
stuff.
little bag for this.
Okay.
Just hang tight right here, okay?
I used to have bags.
I'll put it in
Yeah,
the glove or something. Here, so all the coins.
And that one, one record, record drop in our garage.
Is it like a necklace thing?
This is part of the car. He can put that in there.
What's that? Like a necklace?
Put it on my guitar.
Oh, okay. All right. You're gonna go with this guy. I know you've never been to JPC. Just be nice, be cool.
Oh, no, I'm good.
You know what I'm saying?
I've been in county jail plenty of times.
Well, I'm not saying with the other guys. I'm saying with the staff there. They don't.
Oh, yeah,
They don't
I
mess
know,
around.
I
So
know.
don't be going in there like.
Oh yeah, no. I ain't gonna give no trouble.
Or do.
No.
Yeah, I'm just saying.
I ain't
to
trying to
help
end
you
up in a
out,
chair.
so.
No, I
No,
know how
yeah,
it
for
goes. I
sure,
already know
man.
how it goes.
Yeah. So come on out. And I'm telling you, man, I wish you good luck and don't be depressed or anything like that. Shit happens.
Hey, Michelle, call Marty. Call Marty about that pistol. She gave me that gun. You tell her to find out. This is some bullshit, sir.
I do. You want to search him real quick? Yeah. Okay. Go ahead. Just lean up against here.
Then I got his cell phone and his bag of coin and keys and stuff like that. I'll give to you. Cool.
Hey, charge your phone. I'm gonna call you. Please. Try to get me on a stolen pistol charge.
I just put it in your front seat. It's in a glove. All right, and then that phone.
I love you. I'm gonna call you.
Take a seat.
Huh? No. Oh. No. We just got a little bit of scene. We're investigating. That's all. No. If somebody was dead, you think you could get this close, man? We'd have tapes up and all kinds of stuff.
I don't know. Right there. Come this way. And this way. This way. Stand right. Face towards down. Right here. Right here.
Thanks for watching Texas Law Encounters. Your support makes this possible. If you're looking for more content, consider subscribing to the channel or check out the suggested videos on your screen. We'll see you in the next one.